Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and it is the 30th of the month, which means it is time for another round of the Sweet Treats collaboration with the Memory Lane Keepsakes here on YouTube. Each month we are given a theme and we must create a paper crafting project that has a sweet treat in it. This month's theme was birthday. Now, this was a big month for birthdays in my family. Both my daughter and I celebrate our birthdays in April. So that is kind of fun that I got to play around with the birthday theme a little bit. Before I forget to mention it, and because it's super important, all of the collaborators are listed below. So once you're done watching my video, I would love for you to go to check out each and every one of their videos and leave them some love and a comment and maybe a thumbs up. For today's creation, I'm kind of showing you some of the things that I used, and then I will come back tomorrow with a process video. So today I'll just be sharing a look at what I made and telling you a little bit about it, and then I hope you, if you're not already subscribed, will go ahead and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so when I come back with my process video you can see exactly how I made today's project. So since it was a birthday theme, I pulled out my ADORNit Art Play coloring book, and this one was the Make-A-Wish book, and inside of it I actually found more than one sheet that I could have used for my cards. Again, it has to have the sweet treat on it. So a couple of the others had cakes and cupcakes. So I think I might make another one later because this was very fun. I tried something new today with my card, so I want to definitely try it again. If you have not checked out ADORNit's coloring books, they come printed on watercolor paper and they are so fun to play with. The images are adorable. And I like using different mediums with them. I've used watercolor markers, I've used inks, like where you put it on your palette and watercolor it onto there. And then today you can see I'll be using colored pencils. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I created for today. If you have been at my channel long, you know that I love to create a shaker card. So I went ahead and made a shaker card today for my birthday card. And the sentiment on this says, "Happy Birthday Cupcake." I, again, used the colored pencils and I used odorless mineral spirits to blend my colors. And instead of using a sheet protector with my fuse tool, which I would normally do sometimes for a shaker like this, since there isn't a frame around it to hide like the foam tape, I got something new for my birthday. It is DuraLar, and they come in sheets of 9 by 12, and this is the 3mm clear. It's by Graphics Arts. I got this on Amazon. I put it on my Amazon wish list and I got it for my birthday. I will link this below. Now what it is a very thin clear material. I think artists use it to help protect their artwork. I thought it would be fun to try that DuraLar with a shaker, and I have to say I like how it turned out. Unlike with the fuse tool, I don't have the fuse lines on the edge, which not a big deal. I just wanted to try something different, and I kind of just made like a pocket around the colored card. But again, come back tomorrow and I'll show you how I created this. And now that I have shown you what I made for my birthday themed sweet treat paper craft, I hope that you enjoyed the video and will give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. As always, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you're having a crafty day.